Attention, this is an immersive virtual tour. You can look in every direction, observe every detail, and follow the journey as if you were inside the power plant. During the video, we will showcase our main areas of expertise in distributed generation, highlighting the structure and processes that make us a reference in the sector. Get ready for a journey that combines engineering, technology, and lots of energy. Welcome to one of the more than 140 projects that are part of our nationwide distributed generation operations. Our tour begins among the solar panels, where our work goes beyond the daily operation of the plants. We provide strategic services that ensure quality and safety at every stage of the project. In commissioning, we test and validate each system before the ramp-up phase, ensuring performance and technical compliance from the start. In owner's engineering, we represent the client in project management, overseeing suppliers, deadlines, and costs to guarantee everything is delivered according to the highest standards. Our work in operation and maintenance has a clear goal: keep assets performing at their best, maximizing generation and minimizing failures. We conduct regular inspections, continuous monitoring, and corrective actions to ensure and surpass performance and availability targets. Throughout this entire journey, technology is always present. With Gerar Viewer, our teams and clients have full control of the plants at their fingertips. Real-time status, historical data, and indicators bring control and mobility wherever you are. Meanwhile, at the Generation Operations Center in Rio de Janeiro, we remotely operate plants across the country. Using our SCADA system, our team works in real time, anticipating failures and optimizing plant performance 24/7. All of this is done with the highest standards of safety and productivity. This is where data turns into action. This is where we ensure the energy of every project. This is where we become a reference in distributed generation solutions in Brazil. We hope you enjoyed this journey and gained an understanding of our structure and commitment to distributed generation. If you want to learn more about our solutions, speak with one of our specialists or visit our website to discover why your energy is our mission.